Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to change language in Pokemon TCG. What you need to do at first is head over to your Pokemon, of course, and then click on the three lines at the bottom right. What you need to do next is click on Other at the very bottom. Now, the first option, Settings. We're going to click on that. Now what we're going to do is scroll down until we find Language Selection. So just click on this. And then you find all of these languages: Espanol, France, Dutch, Italian, Portuguese. I think this is Korean. Oh, no, this is Japanese, and this is Korean, this is Mandarin. I don't know, don't get me wrong, but just select whatever language you want to change it to. Let's say Espanol, and then let's say OK, and then it's going to take some time to load. As you can see, it has changed the language for me, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.